Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new feature in Power BI that just landed in the May 2025 update, the List Slicer visual. Whether you're building dashboards for work or personal projects, this update is going to give you much more control and flexibility for filtering your data. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable, add, and customize the new List Slicer in Power BI, and if you want to follow along, the PBIX file is linked below. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, it's important to know that the list slicer might not show up by default right after you update Power BI. So if you don't see this new visual in your pane, don't worry, this is totally normal with new features that are still in preview. What you'll want to do is head up to the menu at the top and click File, then scroll down to Options and Settings and click Options. This opens up a new window with lots of different settings. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section called Preview Features under the Global category. Go ahead and give that a click. Now scan through the list until you spot List Slicer Visual. Just tick that checkbox, hit OK, and Power BI will prompt you to restart for the new feature to be enabled. This step is essential, so don't skip it. Think of it like flipping the switch on a new tool you want to add to your toolbox. Once Power BI restarts, the List Slicer should now appear in your Visuals pane, ready to use. Just click on it and you'll see it pop onto your canvas. You can stretch or resize it just like any other visual. Now you're ready to add your data. Simply drag the field you want to filter by onto the list slicer. What's really cool about this new visual is that it supports both parent and child selections. For example, if you're slicing data by product categories, you'll see main categories up top, and when you click one, all their subcategories, the children, can be shown or selected as well. This makes it super intuitive to drill down or broadly filter without constantly bouncing between different visuals. It's almost like having a collapsible folder system, but for your data. Next, let's talk formatting. This is where you can really make your slicer shine and fit in perfectly with the rest of your report. With the list slicer selected, open the Format Visual pane. There's one area here that stands out as especially powerful, the callout visual. Don't be intimidated by the name. Think of callouts as customizable buttons that let you add interactivity and feedback for your users. You can add buttons to reflect current selection states or to guide viewers through the data, and when you click Advanced, you'll unlock even more options like setting up expansion states and interaction states. This allows your slicer to dynamically respond as people interact with it, super useful if lots of folks will be using your report. Now that you've got the basics down, I really encourage you to experiment with the settings and layouts. Try pairing parent-child selections with different visual styles, or customize the callout buttons to make your slicers even more user-friendly. Don't be afraid to play around. That's often the best way to discover cool combinations that work perfectly for your needs. And that's it for this walkthrough of the new Power BI List Slicer. If you found this useful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share what you've built, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching and happy slicing.